I've reviewed all of the toys of 2018, and these are probably my best picks, if my best favorite picks, I guess you could say. But I love the dolls because they can show what you want to look like and what your heart is set on. I really love being a ballerina. And I found this girl that looks just like me, and she's a ballerina. So I think that would be a good choice for me if I was a girl that in heart that I want to be a ballerina. Then I always think of the bracelet, which means a lot of love that you put in there. A lot of love goes inside bracelet, necklaces, anything you make. Everything you make. And unique stuff is also special to me because unique stuff shows how you're so unique to yourself. To me, I'm unique to you. You're unique. Everybody's unique. We're not the same. We're not all like black and white. We're all the same. We're unique but we're not all the same. I can't exactly explain, but we're unique at the same time we're the same. We're the same we're people which are the same, but we have unique personalities. And people can look different than other people can. Some people look sometimes a little bit the same, but it just feels really great to be yourself. And it makes your heart really good too, because it tells who you are. And thank you for watching me, or exactly watching me on YouTube, because I love doing this. And besides, bye for now. Bye.